The best plant research applications for Android are designed to help users identify, learn about, and care for various plant species. These apps typically feature a user-friendly interface that allows users to take pictures of plants and receive instant identification through advanced image recognition technology. In addition to identification, these applications often provide detailed information about each plant, including its scientific classification, common care tips, and ideal growing conditions. Users can find resources on watering schedules, sunlight requirements, and potential pests or diseases that may affect the plants. Some of these apps also incorporate community features, enabling users to share their experiences, ask questions, and exchange tips with fellow plant enthusiasts. Furthermore, they may include tools for tracking plant growth, setting reminders for care tasks, and even creating a personalized plant collection. Overall, these applications serve as valuable resources for both novice and experienced gardeners, enhancing their understanding and enjoyment of the plant world.